Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're going to do something different. Instead of working, we're going to play on the farm. We're going to do an excavator challenge, and we're going to do a little tilling.
Yeah, the excavator challenge is something that I saw on the channel Outdoors with the Morgans. So Mike Morgan is pretty skilled with his Kubota KX70, I think. But we haven't introduced our excavator to the channel yet. But I guess today it'll get introduced when we try and pick up an egg off a wine bottle and put it on top of a Gatorade bottle. We brought 6 eggs, so I'm not sure if we brought enough eggs.
Brad's pulling her out to get set up for this excavator challenge that I think Brad will do very well at. The thing I'm good at on the excavator is spinning. And not that there's a big requirement for spinning, but I think it's fun. So we'll see. I guess the challenge is to move an egg, a raw egg, from one bottle top to another. Got our bottle set up over here. Got the excavator set up, or setting it up, and we'll see. Got a Gatorade bottle and a wine bottle. We're trying to figure out how to best do this challenge with the sun not washing out what we're doing. Oh goodness. This is going to be an all Bradford challenge and not a Deb challenge. I can see me knocking over the bottle and breaking it, crushing it, all kinds of mayhem. Okay, here we go. Let's see. His thumb's different. It doesn't, he's got two claws. Getting that egg just right is a little difficult. There's one casualty. Okay, attempt number 2. We only got so many eggs. He's going super slow. His visibility isn't great because his excavator has 2 claws. Probably not called claws, but for lack of a better term, claws. So his visibility is reduced. And he can't hardly see the egg. It just flipped the egg sideways, but it's not broke. I'm not going to give him any advice, but I will tell him the egg's not broke. I can't hardly see the egg myself, and I'm standing right over it. It's a challenge, it's fun, and he's stressed. You can move the wine bottle. Okay, he said it's allowed if I move the wine bottle because the egg is in the cloth. Oh well. Scrambled eggs, anybody? Scrambled eggs, anybody? It's come the wrong way. Oh, funny. Third time the charm. We can't see, so we have to actually get off the excavator and come over and look, because I'm not giving him any hints. Egg is tucked away in there. Hope it shows up. It's shaded. Look at this worm, and there are love bugs everywhere. Nope, she's not cracked. This poor guy, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now, let's see if he can raise her without cracking her. Oh, look at there, people. Oh, he got her. He got her there. Oh, I've got to grab the wine bottle. I've been told that's allowed. Okay, there's the egg. Where's the egg? I can't even see the egg. In there. There's the egg. I'm probably in his way. Not helping. Gatorade bottle too short?
It's too fat.
Okay, so we're going back to the wine bottle. Okay, let's see. The Gatorade bottle didn't, the excavator, the way the teeth are, it wouldn't allow it to get close enough, so, or get the right angle because of the teeth. So we're going to go back to the wine bottle. The wine bottle's actually smaller. I think I made it more challenging because I didn't put the wine bottle back where it was. Come around here. Oh, I'm probably in his way again. I hope I got a video of this because I can't see because of the sun. I'm trying to stay out of his way. Gosh, I hope I have this and can't see the egg. It's so bright out here. And again, he keeps getting off the excavator so he can see, because the teeth block his view. Because the configuration of the excavator. Oh, he's got it on there. Will she stay? Will she stay? I hope I didn't cut off the egg. Oh, look at there. Look at there. He's got her on there. He's got her on there. If he can move that excavator without knocking her over, he'll have it. Oh, she's precarious though. Oh, goodness. Oh, killing me. Killing me. Oh, look at there. He did it. I'll be danged. Third time's the charm. Third time's the charm, babe. How about that?
Sweat. I can't believe it. Mike Morgan, we don't know each other, but you stressed me out today, man. That's a heck of a challenge. I think every excavator is going to be a little bit different. My claw was interfering with the egg and also the bottle. I've seen people do it without a movable thumb, and it's really tough. It's a challenge. It's harder than I thought it would be. We brought 6 eggs. We dropped 2 on the ground. I'm just happy it's over. Deb, are you going to try?
Nope.
Okay. Well, folks, we're pretty excited we got that done. We brought 6 eggs, like we said, and dropped 2 right away. But the funniest thing is that one of our cameras, because we were shooting it from 2 different angles, one of them overheated. And when we were checking the footage, it overheated just as I pulled the boom away. So we weren't sure if we got that angle on camera. And then Deb was filming as well, and she couldn't see her phone because of the glare of the sun, so she wasn't sure if she recorded it either. And I was spent. I didn't think I had another one in me to do. I was drenched in sweat. I was nervous. We only had a few more eggs, but it was pretty fun. I'm glad Mike put that out there for people on YouTube to try, and I'm glad I tried it, but it was definitely a lot harder than I thought it was. And for those of you that are finding this excavator challenge, Deb and I are in Northwest Florida. We bought 20 acres and we're developing it into a future homestead. We're going to have animals. We're hoping going to have fish in our pond. Going to do some farming, going to do some gardening. It's our dream in the works. So hopefully, if you found this channel through the excavator challenge, you'll stick around because I think you're going to find some interesting content to come. Got anything, Deb?
That's it. I'm glad the challenge is over. I'm glad he did it because I never would have heard the end of it, or he'd have sent me to the store to buy more eggs. So thanks, Mike.
All right, guys. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see you on the next one.
Take care.
Take care.